Namaste, welcome to all. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Yoga Trust channel. Now we are going to practice some pranayama practices useful for those who are having depression. Okay, so in this yoga for depression pranayama practices, we can go with some Kapalbhati practices for purification of your nasal passages and your frontal lobes of your brain. Before going to all these practices, just be comfort yourself in any comfortable asana. Either sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Choose yourself any comfortable posture of your choice. Okay. Keep your spine, neck, head in a straight line. Close your eyes. Adopt a Chin Mudra in your both the palms. Now let's start with Kapalbhati practice. Okay, those people who are having severe neck pain, severe spinal injuries, any injuries of your spine or severe back pain or slip disc, those who are having peptic ulcers in their abdomen, okay, and especially those who are having any heart disease, hypertension, high BP or any heart related issues, they can avoid this practice. Okay, those people who are having hernia and women during pregnancy and menstrual cycles time, they can avoid this practice. And those who are having epilepsy, they can also avoid this practice. Now in this practice, adopt Chin Mudra in your both the palms. Just will go with only active exhalations followed by passive inhalations by flapping your abdomen vigorously. Okay, so in this practice we are just going through active exhalations only. Okay, just like, just go to the exhalation, suck your abdomen in and go to the exhalation only. Okay, in the starting you can go for 20 strokes per minute, very slow practice. If you are able to practice properly, then you can speed up as much as you can. Okay, now let's start with closed eyes. Inhale. No need to inhale separately. Okay, in the starting you can just only once you can inhale, then after you can go for exhalations only. Let's continue. Do not move your shoulders, do not move your body, just flap your abdomen as much as you can. Let's speed up. Slow down. Slow down. Slowly and gently stop the practice. So while you are doing this practice, just remember, start with very slow, then gradually increase the speed, then will slowly, gradually slow down your practice, then completely stop the practice. Okay, let's do the same practice for 2 more rounds. The same practice, adopt Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Only once you take inhale. Let's after go for exhalations by flapping your abdomen vigorously. Let's continue. Speed up as much as you can. Once you feel exhausted, you can slowly and gradually stop the practice. Completely stop the practice. Just relax. Observe your breathing process. Observe your brain. Observe the complete active state of your brain cells. Observe the tingling sensations all over your body. Observe the blood rushing into each and every part. Observe your heartbeat. Observe the deep relaxation to your abdominal organs. Relax. Relax. And relax. Now let's go for the next practice, Bhastrika Pranayama. In the Bhastrika Pranayama, just make loose fist of your both the palms. Take your both hands besides of your chest. While you are inhaling, slowly raise your both hands above your head, and while you are exhaling, bring your hands besides of your body. Okay. In this, the difference between Kapalbhati and Bhastrika is, in the Kapalbhati, we'll go with only active exhalations. But in this Bhastrika Pranayama, we'll go with complete active inhalations followed by active exhalations. Okay. So while you are inhaling, raise your both the hands above your head and exhale down. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. Let's continue. Continue the practice. Continue the practice until you feel exhausted. You can continue. Continue. Speed up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, speed up, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now slowly release your hands, drop your hands down, just relax. Observe the stimulations all over your body. Feel the blood flow, complete active state of your brain cells. To normalize your breath, let's go for deep abdominal breathings for 3 rounds. Slowly inhale and bulge up your abdomen. Exhale slowly and completely suck your abdomen inwards. Inhale, bulge up. And exhale slowly, relax. Let's continue for 3 rounds and enjoy the relaxation to your abdomen and relaxation to your breath. Relax. Now let's go for the next practice. Right nostril breathing or Surya Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. In the Surya Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, adopt Chin Mudra in your left palm. Touch your tip of the thumb and your index finger in your left palm. Place your palm on your knee or on your thigh. Now adopt Nasika Mudra. Fold your index finger and the middle finger. Okay. This is called Nasika Mudra. Now close your left nostril with your ring and little fingers. Inhale through your right nostril and exhale through your right nostril. While you inhale, slowly and continuously take a deep breath from your right nostril. Slowly and completely exhale from the right nostril, the same right nostril. Inhale through right and exhale through the same right nostril. Enjoy your breath. Enjoy the warmth sensations at your right nostrils and enjoy the active state of your sympathetic nervous system and enjoy the active state in each and every cell of your body, especially in your brain cells. Relax. People, those who are suffering with hypertension, they can avoid this right nostril breathing. Let's continue for minimum 9 rounds. In this practice, your exhalations must be longer than inhalations. Try to maintain the ratio 1:2. Let's go for the next practice, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. In the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, adopt Chin Mudra, touch your tip of the thumb and your index finger and stretch your remaining 3 fingers and place your palm on your knee or on your thigh. Now adopt Nasika Mudra in your right palm. Fold your index and the middle finger. In this practice, just close your right nostril with your thumb finger. Completely exhale from the left. After complete exhalation from the left nostril, slowly start inhale from the left. Close the left nostril with your ring and little fingers. Open your right and exhale from the right nostril. After complete exhalation from the right, now start slowly inhale from the right. Close the right nostril with your thumb. Exhale from the left nostril. This is complete one round of Nadi Shuddhi or Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Let's continue for minimum 9 rounds. You can go for up to 21 rounds also. As per your timing, as per your comfort, you can go for the practice. Slowly left to inhale, right to exhale. After exhalation of your right nostril, slowly inhale from the right and exhale from the left. This is complete one round of Nadi Shuddhi or Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and completely without making any noise in your both the nostrils. Slowly and continuously observe your breathing process. Enjoy the slowness of your breath and observe your mind. It balances your both the brains, right side and left sides of your brain. It balances your both the nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and observe the balance of your breath and observe the balance of your body. Enjoy the deep relaxation to your mind, to your body, and enjoy the slowness of your breath. After completing the practice, after exhalation from your left nostril, slowly drop your hand down. In this practice also, you just be aware on your breath. Your exhalations must be longer than inhalations and without producing any sounds at your nostrils. Now let's go for the one more practice, Bhramari Pranayama. Sit comfortably, adopt Chin Mudra in your both the palms. Now roll your tongue and try to touch your tongue, tip of the tongue to the upper palate of your mouth. Close your mouth. While you are exhaling, chant Nakar, N sound. Okay? Take a deep breath in. Just produce the sound like a honeybee, humming bee sound. Okay? Let's continue for minimum 9 rounds. Close your eyes, maintain a gentle smile on your face. Sit comfortably, keep your spine, neck, head in a straight line. Collapse your shoulders. Inhale deeply. Let's continue. Nakar sound. Third round, inhale deeply. Just observe the resonance in the body. Continue for 6 more rounds the same way. and enjoy the resonance in your head region and your whole body. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation to the mind. Observe the complete silence of your mind and enjoy the deeper and deeper relaxation and the soothing effect to your each and every body cells. For the relaxation of your body and your mind, let's go for chantings of Akar, Ukar and Makar chanting and Auma combined chanting. Okay, adapt Chin Mudra in your both the palms. Close your eyes. Let's go for 3 rounds Akar chanting. Just enjoy that resonance in the body, especially in the lower parts of your body. Inhale deeply. Second round, inhale. Third round. Observe and enjoy the resonance. Now let's go for 3 rounds Ukar chanting. Enjoy the vibrations, especially in your middle parts of the body. Inhale deeply. Continue for 2 more rounds of Ukar. Inhale, second round. Chant Ukar. Observe the resonance in the body. Third round of Ukar chanting. Inhale deeply. Relax. Now bring your awareness to your head region. Let's go for 3 rounds Makar chanting. Close your lips and chant Makar and enjoy the resonance in your head region. Let's continue. Inhale deeply. Continue for 2 more rounds of Makar chanting. Enjoy the beautiful resonance in your head region. Enjoy the sound effect. After completing 3 rounds of Makar, let's bring your awareness to the whole body. Let's go for Auma in a single breath. Akar, Ukar, Makar combination in a single breath. Continue for 3 rounds. Inhale deeply. Enjoy the beautiful resonance in your whole body. Let's continue for 2 more rounds. The same practice, Aum in a single breath. Chant completely and just enjoy the resonance all over your body. Relax. Relax. Always keep your mind in this state and enjoy that silence within. Let's conclude with 1 Omkar and 3 Shanti. Adopt Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Chant 1 Omkar and 3 Shanti together. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently release your palms, rub your palms. Give a nice massage to your facial muscles, to your ears and to your neck. Gently place your palms on your eyes and with few blinks, with a gentle smile, open your eyes, look at your palms, look at the motherland. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Namaste.